Mm-hmm. Back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some cabbage steaks, you guys. Seen this on YouTube a few times, so I'm going to make my version of it. But yeah, y'all, you already know. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So let's get into this video, you guys. All right, you guys, we have some cabbage steaks. As you can see, I had already started eating out of it. I had to redo this part over, y'all, because the camera was up too high. I didn't realize it, so I'm thinking they tried to see everything that I was doing, but that was not the case. So we're gonna try this one more time. We're gonna rewind and get back into this again. So let me bless my food again. I'm gonna do it all over again. All right, y'all. So we're gonna dig into this again. I already cut some of it, so yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Y'all, just spicy. And yes, I am really cutting this like a steak, y'all. But when I tell you it's so good, I don't know who came up with this idea. I saw it on YouTube and I seen it on TikTok. But when I tell y'all it's bomb, oh my. Mm-hmm. It was bomb. So good. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. And I tell y'all it's so good. Mm. Mm-mm. All right, y'all, so we got the cabbage cut up. So we're gonna go ahead and put these into a baking pan. I'm gonna add some olive oil and whatever seasonings you like. I'm gonna be using some Cajun seasoning, a little bit of salt and pepper, and some other seasonings. But if you guys don't see it right here, I will go ahead and place it in the description down below. But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these transferred over to the baking dish, get the olive oil on there, and I'll be right back. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of olive oil on there. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get I have a brush that I use. Let me get that. And just brush that olive oil across there. I do want to get a little bit on the sides there. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more olive oil right here, just in the baking pan, so I can brush it on the sides of the cabbage. I don't want to move the cabbage too much because as you could tell, some of the leaves will come off. So you got to be very, very careful with this. Just want to make sure that it's nice and coated with olive oil. Okay. So now, I'm going to be using some butter right here too, y'all. I'm gonna put on there. I'm gonna go ahead and season these up with the salt. A little bit of celery salt. Some pepper. Some paprika. Going over some Cajun seasoning. All right. I'm also gonna add in some crushed red peppers, you guys. Who doesn't like crushed red peppers? Who don't like a little bit of spice? We're gonna add some cayenne pepper. And just to kick it up just a little bit, we're gonna add in a little bit of this rotisserie chicken seasoning. Y'all, this is good. If you try it on your fries, oh my God. Make sure you put the fries in the air fryer though. So, but yeah, so then now I'm gonna throw a little bit of butter on top of there, y'all. And so what I'm gonna do, since I have to go out for a little bit, just for a short time, I have to run somewhere, I am gonna go ahead and let these marinate in the refrigerator for about an hour and a half. So yeah. Add your butter on top of there. I'm gonna add a little bit in the pan, because when this get ready to cook in the oven, y'all, I'm gonna be basting it, like, you know, I'll show you what I'm talking about here in a little bit. I'm just gonna take this little brush as the water starts to get at the bottom of the pan in the seasonings. I'm just gonna take the brush and start brushing over it until they are done. But yeah, y'all, so I'll be back. Have so far. I can't tilt it but so much, because you see how that's coming apart. All right, y'all, the cabbage sticks are ready. I'm going to go ahead and get these plated up, and I'll be back. All right, y'all, my nose running because I got a lot of spices on there. My nose starting to run. But yeah, y'all, this is the end of this video, you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.